In this video I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you first how you can pre-program your box using a USB stick, and then I'm just going to show you how you can back up your channel list to a memory stick. It's always handy to have a backup of it, okay? So the first thing is you go into your menu, and what you'll arrow down to is the tools menu, and you'll go over to upgrade by USB. So you just press OK to go in there. So the first thing is we're going to use the upgrade mode basically to load the channels onto your box. Okay, so if you're loading the channels on to pre-program them, you want to select all code and bootloader. Okay, and then this upgrade file is dumpfile.abs. That's the default name of the file with the channel list software in it. Okay, so obviously you'll have to have this loaded onto a memory stick or something like that. And you can get the software on the Xoro 9000 combo receiver product page on the TV Trade website under the downloads tab, and that will always have the very latest channel list for this box there. Okay, so all you have to do then is just go to start and press OK. So the whole thing takes 30 seconds to a minute just to load all the channels onto it there. So you'll see it there going across there, the progress bar. So the reason why you'd want to do this is it just takes all the hassle out of scanning in all the UK channels to your box. When you do a default scan, it just pulls in everything. It pulls in hundreds of channels, and you know there's probably a lot of channels that you might be interested in. Also, there's some regional duplicates and things like that. So the pre-programmed one, the list that we make up, takes all that out of it and orders them in a convenient order for you. You know, starting with the BBC's, ITV's, Channel 4's, things like that. So it's far more convenient, and it's what we would recommend that people do, really. But again, if you buy it pre-programmed, you don't have to do any of this at all. So the when it's finished there, basically it just reboots the box, and when it comes back up, then all you'll have is the UK channels tuned in. So you'll see there now from the list, they're all tuned in a convenient order, and it's very handy. Okay, so I'm just going to hit the exit button there. So the next thing then is that if you hit the menu button and arrow down to the tools menu and go down to the upgrade by USB again, this is basically how you back up your channel list to a USB stick. What you want to do is you want to arrow left to dump, okay, and again the upgrade file will be called this, and then all you have to do is press the start button. But what I'll just add here as well, another reason why you'd want to do this, obviously if you buy the box from scratch you won't want to do this, especially if you buy it pre-programmed. But if you don't buy it pre-programmed, it's very handy just to download that file and load it on yourself. Also, you know, if frequencies change and you're not comfortable with you know, scanning an individual TP, and we'll have a video for that showing you how you can do it if frequencies change. Basically all you have to do is go to our website, get the very latest software and just scan it in again, or you know, from your memory stick, and it will have all the channels pre-programmed for you with the correct frequencies and things like that. So as you can see, it's a very quick procedure. But just particularly to dump the channel list onto a memory stick, all you have to do is do that. The upgrade mode dump, the upgrade file by default will be called dumpfile.abs, and then you just press arrow down to start and press OK. And this is even quicker. What's that? Maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and that's it basically. And that's saved to your memory stick there now. So I'm just going to hit the exit button and go back to normal TV. So that's it basically, how you can load channels from a USB stick, and how you can back up your channel list software onto a USB stick.